Welcome to ABB's Bartlesville, Oklahoma facility. We produce a wide range of measurement and analytical products, including pressure and multivariable transmitters, flow computers, remote modular controllers, and gas chromatographs. These analytical and instrumentation products are used in the power, chemical, water, and refining industries. At ABB Bartlesville, we want your time here to be safe and productive. We're committed to providing a safe work environment for our employees and visitors. As an overview of our Bartlesville safety program, please view the following video. Be aware that access to the building is strictly controlled, and visitors are required to enter through the main doors located on the west side of the facility. Once inside, the Traction Guest Kiosk has been conveniently placed at the front entrance. Please use this system to sign in and complete all the required tasks prior to gaining entry to the facility. Upon completion, the Traction Guest system will print a name badge for you. Please always have this visible throughout the duration of your visit, and remember to sign out of the system upon departure. To ensure your safety, please stay with your host and listen closely to all instructions. ABB's policy is to provide a drug-free workplace. The possession or use of alcohol or illegal drugs is strictly prohibited on company property. ABB Bartlesville is a tobacco-free facility, but your host can direct you to the designated outdoor smoking area. Our products and manufacturing process are considered proprietary and confidential. Filming or photography is not permitted unless given prior approval. No food or open containers are allowed on the factory floor. If your visit includes a tour of the production area, safety glasses and closed-toed shoes are required and can be provided upon request. A reminder that you must stay with your host. Please do not touch products, equipment, or controls at any time. Visitors are expected to remain in the designated aisles, outlined in yellow. Be aware that our production areas include a wide variety of activities that may present specific safety hazards, such as forklift operations, product testing, and material handling. Please stay alert and ask your host if you're unsure if an area is safe to enter. Certain areas within the facility have specific requirements or limited entry. Please refer to the signage in the area or ask your host for more guidance if necessary. Here at the Bartlesville facility, we are proud to maintain strict regulatory ISO 9001 and 14001 compliance. Sustainability has become a key initiative for us through recycling efforts and reducing the facility's carbon footprint through green initiatives. Please help us by recycling waste while at the facility. If there is a fire, the alarm will sound. In the event of an emergency, your host will guide you to one of the 5 evacuation assembly areas located on the east and west sides of the facility. You and your host will report to the evacuation coordinator, who will be wearing a high-vis vest. Your host will provide further instructions or give the all clear when it is safe to return inside. If you detect a fire, trigger the nearest pole station or notify your host or another ABB employee. Fire extinguishers are positioned throughout the facility. If there's a medical emergency, notify your host or an ABB employee. There are first aid cabinets, AEDs, and employees on site who have been trained as first aid responders. Trained responders are conveniently indicated by an orange flag in their respective areas. At ABB Bartlesville, we want your time with us to be safe and productive. Please follow the safety instructions provided by your host and ask for further instructions if needed. Remember to stay within the lined walkways and wear the protective gear provided for you. If you have any safety concerns or see a hazardous condition, please report it to your host or contact our Health Safety Environmental Manager. Thank you for watching this safety video and taking the time to visit ABB in Bartlesville. Safety is our #1 priority, so please don't look the other way.